Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today I will show you how to add GeneratePress theme and the premium theme and how to add demo in your website. So I have already installed this GeneratePress theme, not installed, uploaded. So at first you have to go into your dashboard, then go to appearance, then click here themes, then click here add new, and you have to find out which theme you need. I have written generate. So once you write generate, then GeneratePress will come up, and just click here, then click activate. Now GeneratePress have been activated. Now you have to upload the GeneratePress premium theme. So now I will go to plugins, and now click add new, upload plugins. Then in my download folder, GP Premium, I have bought the premium GP Premium version. If anyone needs it free, just message me, I will send you. I am uploading this plugin. Now click activate plugin. GeneratePress plugin have been updated. So now this is the GeneratePress. You have to activate it. Now configure, click the configure button. You have to activate it manually. So now I will add the demo. There are lots of pro demo, premium demo, and I will choose the demo I love or I need. As it is my blog website, I will choose it. So here, get started. I understand. Then begin import. It will import your demo, and it will fit into your website. It's taking some time. And also today I am buying this theme, Ocean P Premium. Let's have a look at. I will create my own portfolio website with this. Anyways, now it's done. View site.